Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Jetta service light. First, get into your Jetta and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the 0.0/SET button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button firmly. Keep holding it until you see the service light begin to flash or completely reset. This usually takes only a few seconds, so be patient and watch for the change. Once the service light has flashed or reset, you can release the 0.0/SET button. Now, turn your ignition completely off. Wait a moment, then turn the ignition back to the on position or even start the engine to confirm the reset. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If it's still on, don't worry, we have some troubleshooting tips coming up next. If the service light didn't reset on your first attempt, here are a few things to check. First, make sure your engine was completely off, with only the ignition on during the reset. Sometimes, holding the 0.0/SET button for a bit longer, perhaps up to 10 seconds, can help. Also, remember that specific Jetta models might have slight variations, so always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate instructions for your vehicle. While resetting the service light is straightforward, consistent vehicle maintenance is key to preventing it from coming on unexpectedly. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended service schedule for oil changes, tire rotations, and other essential checks. This proactive approach ensures your Jetta runs smoothly and safely for many miles. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.